In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up an email template for your newsletter within Go High Level. Let's get started. All right, so here we are in the test account. Now you want to come down here to marketing, then you want to select emails, and then we're going to come over to templates. Let's spin up a new template. I like to start with the blank templates. You can use some of their pre-built ones if you want, but they're all in here. Now, your three options would be the design editor. So that's what I'm going to cover today. That's your real drag and drop, really nicely designed emails. You know, for those of you that want to do coding, you can. Otherwise, you know, plain text. Plain text generally would have the best deliverability. And so usually I suggest to my clients, like, you know, when they want, you know, their clients to sign up, we'd probably have a series of plain text ones, so that, you know, our email address then goes into their contacts, you know, get them to reply to that, and then we can sort of start sending the more nicely designed ones. So coming in here, okay, so this is the view that you get. Now, down here on the left-hand side is all of the things that you can add in. It's very much just like any kind of drag and drop, you know, website builder, email builder. If you've used those before, you just pick the component that you want to put in there, and then you can, obviously just drag and drop it in. So I usually just get rid of the view email in browser, and I'm making up a template for a newsletter here. So I'm going to, put in stuff that reminds me what I need to update when I actually use the template. So I'm just going to say newsletter heading. Okay, that's good. We'll exit out of there. Now I'll put in the paragraph for the actual content of the newsletter. You can put in a merge field here if you want to with the contact's first name. I prefer to just leave it as high there. If you want to do that, you've got the merge fields are up here where you can select your contact and you could go the full name or first name or whatever you want to do. But we will use a merge field in a sec. So coming down here, this is where we'd copy and paste in the text for our email. Now down here, I'll just put my sign off. And then I'm going to add in my email signature using a merge field. So come down here to, right past it. All right, come down here to user, and then we'll put in signature down here. So that will pre-populate the signature that is saved on your user record within Go High Level. So make sure that if you want to use that, you have created an email signature on your user record. Okay, that's all looking pretty good now. I'll add a few little touches to this one, put in the social icons here. I might just get rid of a couple. Don't really use Pinterest, but the rest are fine. You know, you've got the option to select colored or, you know, more of a black and white type one. I think that one looks a little better. For the socials here, to add the actual links themselves, you would just select the one that you wanted, say Facebook. You click on the pencil icon, and then you can just put in the URL to your Facebook page. Works the same for Instagram, etc. And we'll put in the footer. Again, you can sort of update this, but this puts in the unsubscribe thing, which is pretty helpful. Now, for a newsletter, it doesn't need to be too flash, so I'm pretty happy with that. But if you did want to add any kind of image or header, you can certainly do that. And then you just, you know, edit that, and you can, you know, create image using AI, or you can upload one from the media library. Yeah, so I've got this logo here from another demo video I've done. So let's insert that one. And there we go. We've got the heading there. You can resize it. Obviously, that's probably a little big. And so if you want to have your, your heading there, you can do that. But for me, I don't really want that. So we will get rid of that one. Okay, I'm pretty happy with that one. Last thing we need to do is just give our template a name so we know what it is. And I'll just say newsletter template. Okay, that's good. I'm pretty happy with that. And so in the next video, I will cover the process of, how you actually send out your newsletter. All right, we'll catch you then.